Hello everyone and welcome back. It is 1 a.m. Yes, it is 1 a.m. Currently working on studio things, editing a video to go up tomorrow. It is currently Saturday morning and I have to have a video up today and I'm like really editing that down. And I thought, while editing, why not go ahead and do a reaction? I think the cats are awake and thriving and my hair is a mess, but that is just me. So today we'll be reacting to two songs. We'll be reacting to AOA's latest comeback and we'll be reacting to the Nature comeback because I've reacted to every Nature song, so I thought, why not keep that tradition going? First, we're going to be reacting to AOA's new music video, Come See Me. And yeah, links will be down below for the videos, and if you don't want to see the AOA reaction, you just hear for the Nature reaction, they'll also be down in the description. Let's get right into this.
Ooh. This gives me like Latin vibes. This is Charlie's Angels vibe. This is like girl boss Charlie's Angels, like brown-eyed girls aesthetic in these suits. Oh my gosh, she's fire hair. Is that Jimmy? No. She looks so much like... Okay, so these hair colors are giving me like 9 Muses vibes, like real big 9 Muses vibes. Rip 9 Muses. Also, I love the shot in the road and like the cityscape. Those are really beautiful. I just feel like the one in the suits is meh, but the road is my favorite. Obviously the glamour shots are like 10 out of 10. Ooh. Don't worry, Jimin, I hear you in the background saying hey. We're back to your solo, 10 out of 10. It's so weird seeing them as like a 5-member group. Like, it's so weird because they used to be so big and now there's only 5 of them and it's just so weird to look at. It's kind of like when you look at the 9 Muses members and you're like, wow, there's like 3 of you now, and then like constantly changing members. So I don't know, like I don't know how to feel when them not having as many members as before. Like I kind of miss that. I'm looking through the little profile of them right now, seeing, yep, you could like point out Jimin in a crowd, like that's a queen for you.
It's just so sad. 3 members left. Choa was my favorite, and then Jimin was like my bias wrecker, and like now Jimin's the bias because there's no more Choa, and I just okay, I can't. Really love the aesthetic of this video. I feel like the suit one was but I really like all the other scenes with their dancing and stuff. I feel like those were more aesthetically pleasing. I really like the girl boss Charlie's Angels vibe that they're going for. It really fits with the 2019 theme of all these comebacks I've been seeing recently. Like all of them are really like we rule the world kind of type vibe, and I really like that they're continuing it, but they're doing a little bit different so that way they stand out a little bit more. But that's all I really like. Oh, they're also called Ace of Angels. Definitely Charlie's Angels play. Ugh, love that. Other than that, I think it will go on my playlist. It's not like a amazing like song that will stand out with all the great songs that have come out of 2019, but it'll definitely be like a big song of 2019. I will buy the album because I love them so much. But let's see. How they know it's an AOA song. Hey, I love that. But yeah, overall pretty good. Hi Luna. The cats are here. We love the cats. Anyway, next is Nature's reaction. So this is Oopsie by Nature. I am super excited to see how they've grown from I'm So Pretty, because like I'm So Pretty was like a 2019 legend for them.
I see all the pink, so I'm assuming they're continuing that aesthetic. Ooh, and they still have the magic. Do they still have like, didn't they have like tails in the last one? Are they gonna keep their tails, or are they gonna like, that music sounds really like Alice Note. This feels like AOA. Oh, this definitely feels like runway music. Oh my gosh, such an AOA vibe, I can't. Like, especially with that short Choa haircut, like, honestly. Oh, it's so aesthetically pleasing. Ooh. Wait. Also, Luna's behind the camera, so if it falls, it's her fault. I love these outfits. The ones with the hats really reminds me of like Voodoo Dawn's like the Boots era. What are Voodoo Dawn? Oh no. Ooh. I love the red scene. Like it feels like they're transitioning from that cutesy girly pink to like a more like sassy side, I guess. Ooh, tattoos? Oh my gosh, that blue black top. I think this entire video is just fashion inspo. Oh my gosh, okay. All black. How can they still look so cute? Yep, definitely Alice in Wonderland. They give me like Cheshire vibes in the scene. I feel like that's more cool, like the Mad Hatter Cheshire vibe, because Alice herself is overdone. So I really like the other scenes they do, where it kind of gives me the vibes of like the Mad Hatter and Cheshire. Ooh. Wow, I love this false like drop before they go into the actual chorus, because they get too hyped for it, because you're like, oh, it's about to drop, and then it's like false, and then you get into it. Is that Fendi? I need to see live stage shows for this. It's over? No. 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 This, it can't be over. It's so good. Okay.
So currently I also need this album because I think that they killed me. We love that. We love when that happens. I feel like this is like a little bit of old Red Velvet AOA vibes, like AOA vibes aesthetically, but musical wise it feels a lot like something that could be done by Red Velvet. So I really appreciate that they're starting to like grow in like what they're doing. I love this song. I love the aesthetics. I love the vocals. I love the choreography. I love the music. I want to see this live. I want to watch it again. I'm gonna watch it again after this video. I love this. I love this. If I were to rate both of them, I feel like AOA's would be like, it feels like middle of the road, a little above standard, but not like too astonishing. So like that would be like a 3.5 out of 5. And then this one would be like a 4.8 out of 5. And like, I don't know why 4.8, but I'm gonna say 4.8 because apparently they can only do better, because every song I've seen from them since they've debuted has just continuously shown like growth and differences in like their sound and their maturity, and the talent from like nature is like where's the box, where's the limit? They don't know it. They don't need a box. Apparently they own the box. They are the box. I still really need to learn nature members at this point. I might do like a video where I learn all the nature members, because I feel like I've been watching them since they've debuted. I even bought their debut album. It is in my K-pop bookshelf. And I feel like it's only fitting if I really like dig into them a little bit more and like learn a bit about the members. If you guys do want to see that video from me, comment that down below. If you want to give me some fun facts about the members, also do that. That would be really helpful. As last video, they're just so pretty and they're just so talented, and I can't choose and I need help. Anyway, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It is 1 a.m. I'm gonna wash up my makeup. I'm going to sleep, and I will see you all in the next one.